LumiCloud Sola, mimicking the sunrise sunset, actually the circadian rhythm. It's a great product for different environment that you want to create outside environment to bring it in with high CRI, easy installation as our TLS system, dimmable, we can control it to different dimming solution, DMX, Dali 0 to 10, compatible with any third-party control in the market. Using our technology of TLS, as I mentioned before, great product. LumiCloud 3D combine our lighting solution, the TLS, with our printing capability, using 2 layers of fabric, and the effect that we're getting here is 3D, can be used as a ceiling application, can use as a wall application, variety of nature kind of visual and pictures. We can go up to 10 feet wide, limitless of length, easy to assemble, and the effect that we're getting from that is really amazing. If you use it as a ceiling application, you really feel that you have the 3D, you feel outside. It's a great product acoustically as well. It's performed very well. It's our solution for visual and lighting together.